Today I am going to discuss about chapter number 4, circle, from class 10. Okay, so first of all, circle means with the center O, particular radius we need to, okay, around 360 degree with radius R. That type of figure we can call circle. Okay, so after this, non-intersecting line with circle. So suppose here is one circle with radius R or center O and one line with PQ. Okay, so in between this, circle is different and line is different. Okay, they are not intersecting to each other. There are line is not intersect to circle. That type of representation of circle with line called non-intersecting line with circle. Okay, next, secant of the circle. Secant means suppose here it is one circle, and line passing through this some part of circle. Let's say AB is line cutting some part of circle at point P and point Q. Okay, see, this whole line is called secant. Is it right? Here it is line, here it is circle. Okay, these are called non-intersecting line with a circle, and line intersecting the circle called secant. Okay, then tangent means here it is one circle, so line passes through only one point of a circle. Okay, like this point is called, or otherwise exactly I am telling you. Okay, this point is our, let's say, P. Okay, this tangent AB passing through one point P, and this point is called common point, of circle. Okay, only one point passes through the one line, it's called tangent. This line is called tangent. Okay, passes through only one point of the circle. Okay, I hope now. Non-intersecting line, intersecting line means secant, and passes through only one point means tangent. Okay, this is the three fundamental concepts. So after this, we need to discuss segment. In this case, we need to discuss minor segment. After major segment, and we need to discuss also sector. In between this, we need to discuss minor sector, as well as major sector. Okay, so let's discuss. Okay, so minor segment or segment means, here it is one circle at point at center O. Okay, and this is one chord. Okay, this is one chord A B. The chord is covering with this area this area called minor segment. Okay, and the circle with the center O. Okay, again one chord is there AB, and the area covered by this entire portion like this entire area, called what? Major segment. Okay, so here it is one chord. Okay, that means chord means line touches to two point circumference point like A and B, called of the circle. Okay, next line exactly passing through the center called diameter, of circle. Okay, that means diameter is nothing but r plus r, or r is nothing but d by 2. Okay, chord is this. By using the chord we need to represent minor segment and major segment. Okay, so after this sector means here it is one circle at point center O, and here it is one radius r, another one radius this r. Okay, with radius r, and this is one chord. This entire portion called minor sector. This entire portion called minor sector, and same opposite to minor sector called major. That means here it is one circle again with center O, except this portion. That means here it is all this portion, this area called major sector. Okay, so this much concepts regarding the circle we have in this chapter. So circle means one revolution with radius called circle. Diameter means passing line through center. Okay, or the biggest chord of circle called diameter also. This is called chord. This is our radius. Okay, after this line is not intersecting with circle means line is separate and circle is separate. They are not crossing to each other. Okay, then secant means what? Secant means line passing through the circle at point P and Q. That type of line we can call secant. Okay, tangent means line only passes through one point of the circle, called tangent. Okay, so after this minor segment means, okay, the minor area of the chord with respect to chord and circumference called minor segment. The bigger area of the circle with respect to chord and this circumference called major segment. Sector means one this portion, the minor area of this, and major sector means this. Okay, I hope you clear these concepts very well.